Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and today we're going to be talking about how to whiten your teeth in the comfort of your own home using Opalescence Go. So if you want to find out about that, then keep watching. Okay, so like I said in the intro, I am going to be telling you guys and reviewing the Opalescence Go kit. I got this probably like a month ago, and it came with 10 of these teeth whitening, what do you call them? Teeth whitening kits, and I've used 7 of them. So the results that you're going to be seeing are basically like a week's worth of teeth whitening. I wasn't really consistent with using this every night. I prefer to use this at night. There isn't really a recommendation as to when you can use it. It's just when you have time, I guess. Yeah, so I will be showing you results. So this is what my teeth looked like before, and this is what they look like now. You tell me. So yeah, basically what you do with these is you take one of these, what do you call these? Open up the arch, put the U obviously on the top of your teeth, suck it in, put the L on the lower side of your teeth, suck it in, and remove this green part, and you'll be left with basically the bleaching tray. You're supposed to wear this for between 60 and 90 minutes, and then brush your teeth afterwards with the toothpaste that they give you in the kit. They give you an Opalescence Whitening Toothpaste, a fluoride toothpaste. I got the original Cool Mint, so it's this gray looking tiny toothpaste, and I really like it. Like, if I could buy just this toothpaste alone to use as an everyday toothpaste, I really would. But yeah, unfortunately you cannot buy Opalescence Go from like your pharmacy or store or whatever. It has to be recommended by a dentist. So if you guys want to find out how to get this, you will have to go to your dentist. They will assess your teeth and tell you which kit to use, because I know Opalescence also has different versions of teeth whitening products. So this might be, I mean, if your dentist you know, assesses you and sees that you need more than this, then obviously they'll recommend it for you and they'll be the one to dispatch it. I got the 6% mint 6% kit. There is like a 30, I think it goes up to 35%, but the higher the concentration is, the more the less you have to wear it on your teeth, because obviously it's like a bit harsh or whatever. I have to admit I was a bit scared in the beginning, because I watched reviews and people were talking about teeth sensitivity. So the first day I used this, I used the tray and kept the bleaching trays on for only 60 minutes because I didn't want to overdo it with the bleaching. But as time went on, I mean, the last one that I used, I think I went 90 minutes. I think I probably went like a little bit above, because you get carried away with it in your teeth. And I have to say I'm impressed, because I have not experienced any major like tooth sensitivity. I know some people have complained about like their teeth being sensitive when they breathe in and out, like you know that sensitive tooth feeling, and I have not gotten that, and I have really sensitive teeth. Story time. Okay, so you know I'm a YouTuber, right? And this one time I tried to do that whole activated charcoal as toothpaste thing. It did not work out for me. My teeth felt so, I wouldn't say gritty, but like they were really sensitive for the longest time. So when it came to this, I was a little scared, and that's why I used it for such a short period of time when I first started. But I would have to say the 6%, this kit specifically for me, did not cause any tooth sensitivity, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, like I said to you guys, I showed you the results. That's the results of using it over, it was probably over, as it was 7 kits that I used, or 7 trays that I used, but it was probably over a period of like 10 to 12 days, because there are some days where I'd forget or skip. So yeah, the thing I like about this is that it is like an Opalescence on the go type thing. You do not have to get your teeth molded at the dentist for them to find like a perfect fitting or whatever. It is literally like a go kit. If you are going somewhere or going away for the weekend, you can just pop this into your bag and you're sorted, ready to go. One thing you have to keep in mind though is that this has to be refrigerated. So you refrigerate this, and then when you are using the kit, you just wait for it to go to room temperature, and then you start using it. But otherwise, I love the fact that it's compact and it actually does work. I mean, I will put my results up here and you guys can be the judge of it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below your thoughts about this and whether you would consider trying it out. I would suggest the next time you are at the dentist to ask about Opalescence. I will be leaving details down below, and I will also have a blog post detailing everything that I went through, my journey, the before and after pictures, and links to the Opalescence website. But I will also be leaving that information down in the description box below. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.